Selepas 47 hari dilaporkan hilang, dua kanak-kanak orang asli ditemui dalam.
This is Daniel and his friend. They are going for a jungle trekking. Suddenly, Daniel got stuck because he can't find his friend. He lost the way and felt so scared.
Hi everyone, my name is Farida. So today I'm going to explain to you in details about compass. The simplest compass is a magnetized metal needle mounted in such a way that it can spin freely. You can make one yourself by magnetizing an ordinary needle, placing it carefully on a slice of cork and letting the cork float in a tray of water. Left to its own device, the needle turns until one end points north and the other south. You can usually figure out which end is which from the position of the sun in the sky, remembering that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So if you are looking down on the floating needle at about noon with the eye on the left and the point on the right and the sun in front of you, you know the point is indicating north. Compass you buy are a bit more sophisticated than floating needles, but work essentially the same way. They have a lightweight magnetized pointer mounted on a very low friction pivot that is sealed inside a small plastic cylinder filled with liquid. The pointer is built into a rectangle of plastic called a compass card, printed with the cardinal points of the compass, which is north, south, east, and west. And the intercardinal points are northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. For your information, Earth behaves though it has a giant bar magnet built inside it. But the magnet is the opposite way around to how you might think, with its south pole up near Earth's actual or geographic north pole and vice versa. A compass needle points north because the north pole of the magnet inside it is attracted to the south pole of Earth's built-in magnet. Confusing, right? Also note that the magnetic north pole and the real north pole don't exactly coincide. Next, my friend will show you an experiment on how to make a homemade compass. So let's watch!
Hi, I will show you how to make a compass using a needle. The materials that are needed for this experiment are a needle and a magnet, a leaf, and a ball of water. First, rub a magnet against a needle in the same direction. Place a leaf on the surface of the water. Put the magnetized needle on it. Wait until the needle aligns itself to point north and south. Now compare it with the real compass. Wow, see, the results are the same.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Syahira binti Jamahiri. Today, I will give the conclusion regarding to our experiment. This phenomena can be happen when you rub the needles against the magnet. Then, the needle will be magnetized and become a temporary magnet. As we know, the properties of the magnet is either pulling or attract to each other. Then, the magnetized needle will attract with the Earth's magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field will affect the needles because the needles are freely moving on the water. Once the needles are stopped, that means that the needles are aligned itself along the Earth's magnetic field. The needles are lining at the north and south axis. At that time, the needle lining at the south and north axis. This means one point to the north and one point to the south.
Daniel finally get away home because he used the homemade compass.